So welcome back to another interesting tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to get a refund on 1688 if a supplier failed to ship your item in time and you are the type that you can no longer wait for that type of product to be shipped to you. And as a result of that, you can go ahead and get your money back 100%. And I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you get your money back fully on 1688 if a supplier refuse to ship your item in time. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. So having opened up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Let's go to take you right here. So for every product that you paid for but yet to be shipped is going to be found right here. So click on that. So here we go. So this particular product right here, I'm going to refund it. So what we want to do is to click on here and you have more options right here. Then click on here to proceed with the refund. And this is going to pump up right here. Simply click on here. And refund done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on here to close this pump up. Then by the time you refresh, the product will no longer be here again. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and go to your profile. So I'm going to click on here now. Then by the time I refresh my profile, the product will remain one. Now, next thing you want to do is to click on here to track your refund progress. Then you have it refunded successful right here. Now, this refund here depends on the means of payment that you use. However, in this tutorial, when I place this order, I use Alipay. So as a result of that, I have to make sure I track the refund successful with my Alipay. However, if you use your bank card, whether Master or Visa card to make payment on 1688, you need to exercise a little bit more patience because not every instant refund you can get on your Visa or MasterCard. So I'm going to exit from here now and go ahead and open my Alipay. So having opened up my Alipay, so you can see I have a refunded back right here. So by the time I click on service message right here, then go to notifications, then go ahead, you can see I have a refund right here. Click on view detail. Then I have a successful refunded right here of 45 yuan from 1688. You can see the headline right here. It's that simple. So this is how to get your money back or how you can get a refund when a seller fails to ship your product in time on 1688. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import ship product from China using 1688 or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to subscribe to this channel. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or any Chinese app or e-commerce website from China, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks like this. So thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.